Welcome to HP SDS Action Center, the HP portal that provides an easy access to HP smart device services. This tutorial will explain how to create blended counters so that you can easily manage all the information on the volumes of different page sizes printed by your devices. HP SDS Action Center allows you to detect all the counters in your device. In addition to the mono and color counters, you can view all the pages printed in various formats. However, it can often be difficult to make extractions, calculations, or final balances, or to import data into other systems. To make this easier, the Blended Counters feature allows you to create a set of custom counters that you can use very easily. For example, you can add scans and faxes in a single counter, or multiply the A3 pages printed by 2. You can also give a unique name to counters that are displayed with different names in different devices, even though they have the same function. To create your first blended counter, in the menu on the left, click on Dealer Settings, and then Blended Counters. On the Blended Counters page, click on the Create button at the top of the page. Name the counter you are creating and click on the Next Step button. Blended counters must be created by starting from the brand of the relevant devices. Select the brand and all the detailed counters available will be displayed. You can use the filter to search for counters to blend. In this example, you want the A4 and A5 counters to be blended into a single A4 equivalent counter, so you need to select them. Select the Add column operator to add them up. Since A5 is half the size of A4, to obtain an A4 equivalent counter, it needs to be divided by 2. To enter this operator, click on Show Advanced Options, then choose the Divide Row operator and enter the value 2. When you have finished, click the Confirm button. If you want to make changes, you can do so using the Edit button. To finish the creation phase, click on the Save button. On the Blended Counters page, you will now also see the newly created counter, which will immediately start processing data on the relevant devices. You will also see it appear in the appropriate section on the device page, usually the day after it was created. Thank you for watching this HP SDS Action Center tutorial.